In this video, I'll show you beautiful Japanese bridal kimono. I hope this video helps you choose the perfect kimono for your special day. Now let's begin! 立ち梅に鶴 Standing plum blossoms with cranes. Even in the harsh winter, plum flowers still bloom gently. They represent resilience, purity, and hope. Combined with cranes, symbols of long life, this design conveys the blessing of eternal youth and everlasting happiness. This is an elegant and refreshing Shiromuku, the pure white bridal kimono. Thank you for watching. I'm Yuki Bronte from TANAN.